Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And look at all this laundry detergent. Yes, guys, I paid less than 50% for this. So basically, I'm going to tell you how to do it step by step. But before we get into it, what I need you to do is to go ahead and like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell next to the subscription button. That way you don't miss up any new videos that I put up and you are able to get all the savings that I'm getting. I will have all the instructions here in the video. Just watch it step by step so that you can take advantage. So this is a deal that I did at Giant Food Stores from Giant Direct. So if you are a first-time user, simply go to the app and you're going to order $60 worth of groceries. The $60 has to be the total after any of your digital coupons and special offers and things like that. You're going to enter this code right there. That is going to give you $30 off of your order, and you can choose anything you want. And you can choose pickup or delivery. I chose pickup, and I even scheduled my time to pick up. So, again, this is the code you use, and it can only work if you are a first-time user. It can't be if you used it before. And this has to be for groceries. It can be for household items, whatever you want to get, just as long as it totals $60. So what I chose to do is I chose to get all laundry detergents. And I clipped my digital coupons prior to me adding them into the cart, the items into my cart. So here are the laundry detergent products that I chose. I got a bottle of Gatorade, 2 things of Gain Liquid, a thing of Gain Flings, and a Tide. I threw in the Gatorade to get me over the to the $60 because I had $9 in coupons, and I'll show you those later because they're not showing up on here, but you will be able to see those on my receipt. And you see I'm marking that I don't want any substitutions because I only want the items that I am getting, no substitutions at all. Just like on Instacart where you can tell them you don't want any substitutions. There's my pickup time, and you're able to edit your order. And now here you see I have the $9 in savings, the $30 came off. And then when you scroll down, you have to put your code in before you put in the EBT card. So my screen is just flipping, and I'm just going to show you what it's going to look like once you have everything in your cart, all your totals there. So there's all the discounts and things. So this is where you put your payment information, and again, this is where you put your code so that you can get the $30 off, and everything applies, and it brings it down to your $31 or $35, however you want to do it. But right there, that last space is where you put your code. And then what happens is the screen is going to flip once you hit place order. So there's your order, and it's going to allow you to put in like the color of your car and the if it's an SUV or sedan or whatever. So there you go. So then that makes it easier for them to actually bring your order out to you, so that when you get there, they'll know exactly where you're at, and you don't have to put in your parking space number and all of that. Okay, guys, so I am here at Giant Direct, and I just picked up my order. So when you get to the parking lot, you want to pull in. Let me turn the camera. You want to pull in where the signs say Giant Direct Pickup. But before I got here, they had sent me a text asking me to just basically let them know when I was leaving the house. And it kind of tracks your movement so that they know when you're here, so you don't have to call that phone number that's on the sign. And actually, as soon as I pulled up, I wasn't even in the spot for a minute. Someone was knocking at my window letting me know the order is here. So it was a real easy process. So let me show you guys everything I got. Everything was in stock, and let me go over the receipt. Okay, so I took everything out the bags just to show you guys what I got. And that I got the Gatorade, I got the Gain Flings, and I got the Big Gains, the Gain Liquid, and then the Tide laundry detergent. So let me show you my receipt. So there you see. Let me put it here. Maybe you can read it better. I don't know because of the light. So there's my receipt. Here you can see my total before coupons and things was $70.15. So in order for you to get to $30 off, your total has to be $60 after your coupons and things. So that's why I added in the Gatorade to make it $60, because I had $9 in coupons. I had a $3 coupon for the Gain Liquid, the Gain Pods, and then the Tide Liquid. So that was a total of $9 in coupons. So that's where you see the e-coupons, $9. And then the total savings was the $30 off for the code. So then that brought my total with tax down to $35.36. But when you take out the sales tax, which is $4.21, then my total was only $31.15. And you guys know I don't like to talk sales tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough. But here you can see my order. So I'm very happy with this. I will definitely use this service again. I chose to do pickup so that I didn't have to pay for delivery. But their delivery fee is reasonable. Delivery fee is $7.99. But, I mean, it doesn't even take me 5 minutes to get here. So that's why I didn't want to do delivery, and I could save that $7.99. But it saved me time from going into the store, waiting in the line, and it saved me stress on my knees. So I'm absolutely happy with this. This order is 50% off because it was $70.15. It's more than 50% off because it's $70.15 and I only paid $31.15. The 3 Gains I'll sell for $30. Then I'll sell that Tide. So this will be a profit for me in the flip. And the Gatorade is something that we use in the family, so that will go in our refrigerator. So guys, give Giant Direct a try, especially a good way to save 50% off on your groceries. And it doesn't have to be household stuff. It can be groceries and things. I'm going to do another order on my mom's account, but this time I think I'm going to get groceries and meat and things like that. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Let me know if you try it. I'm going to put the code down in the comments, as well as I will put it in the description box. And as always, until the next time, keep on saving.